Team Ivraa. Number 8, the bounce pass. Stops, kicks out for 3. In and out. Rebound number 20, pull up jumper, put back shot, no. Pellegrino. Attacks, top shot, bank shot is good. It's Region 8. Region 8 attacking the defense, fires bullseye. Slowly dribbling the ball, spinning, posting. He goes to the screen by Baterbonia. Kicks it out. Here comes Sanoria. Cayetano, another 3. Bang! The Nets this time. Number 11. Sharing the play between the legs. Pass to the right wings. Pass to number 9. Number 9. And the pass back. Number 15. He stops looking for the receiver. Number 11 drives. Stops. Kicks it out. Fires on 3. Bang! The answer. Balasa for the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Pellegrino. Bounce back. Balasa spins to the middle. Ball stolen. And here you go, Team Ibra now in a hurry to the hoops of the window. Bang shot is good. Here's number 14 for Team Dabraa, Region 11. Number 14 to Pellegrino. Pellegrino goes inside. Bang, fires. So too strong. Baterbonia, Kalawit rebound. Fight for the rebound. Nakuha ng Region 8. Lulusot dito. No hesitation. Bang shot is good. And here you go, Team Dabraa, number 14. Number 14 to the middle. Pass to the left wings. Pellegrino. Asintada. He stops. Baterbonia fires at 3. Bang! Bulasa with the leather. Nilusutan ng kalaban. He go cage. He goes inside. He lays. That's good. And here's Region 8, number 11. Looking for his teammate, number 22. Number 22, mahirap malusutan. Baterbonia guarding number 11. Nakalusot to. Oh, Mr. MVP, rebound the ball. And passes, here's Bulasa, number 23, behind the back dribble. Pass to Baterbonia for 3. Bang! Back to back 3, Baterbonia. And here you go, Region 8. Ibraa, number 11, setting the play, signaling the play, pass on the inside. Ang gandang pasa nun, napakalakas nga lang. Na-rebound dito, inside pass, libre, the connection. Ang gandang connection. Dabraa, Region 11, picks. Bajenting, drive, kicks out, pull up jumper at 3. Bang! Pellegrino, Region 8. To the middle, number 20 for 3. No. Rebound number 1. Pellegrino. He stops. Cross pass. Bajenting the receiver. Baseline for 3. Corner. Bang! Pellegrino for the inbound. Bajenting the receiver. Pass it back. Pellegrino. Pellegrino now at the top. It's against number 20 between the legs. Kicks it out. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Comes the Ivraa. Ivraa for number 11. Region 8. Bomb spins. Lays. Takalusot. Grabe yun. Strong move. Here you go. Pellegrino. Slowly dribbling. Signaling the play. Cross the mid lane. Attacks the defense. Stop. Kicks it out. Another pass, Bajenting launches on 3. Bang! Rainbow shot is in. And here you go, Ibra. Region 8 stops. Number 9, the receiver. And he dribbled the ball. He passes to the right wings. He stops and pass. Number 11 fakes. It's again Baterbonia. He stops, kicks it out. Corner fakes. He spins. Pull up jumper. No. Bajenting. Bajenting stepping the gas. Strikes, attack, bounces, bang shot is good. Basket and 1. And here's number 10, stops for Region 8, Ivraa to number 11. Number 11 with the ball, pass to the right. Goes corner, step back for Trey. No, off the target. Bajenting spinning. Oh, dancing. Hey! And doing his move, making his way. Passes Butterbornia, another 3. No. Rebound number 14. Butterbornia not this time. Bajenting. Setting the play. Lulusot, corner pass, open fire. Bang! 3 points. Number 11 against Pellegrino. Almost poke away. Recovered by number 15, number 9. Pass to number 10. Number 10, step back, corner pass, number 20, against Bajenting pull-up jumper, bullseye. For the backdoor inbound. Inside pass, ang ganda naman pasa nun. What a pass, what a finish. Number 14 to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, now with the ball. Dribbling the ball. He attacks, stops, pull-up J, no. Rebound for number 15. Number 2. For Eastern Visayas. Fires. Elbow jumper is good. Spins Inararo. Boom! Here times Team Ibra. Pull up J3. Bang! Over Bajenting. Oops, scores. That's Lugi. And number 15. Pass to the middle. Open look. Fix fire. Bang! 3 points. Bajenting. Spins to Rene Butterbornia. Butterbornia spins to Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Stop. Deep 3. Bang! 3. And here's Team Ibra. Number 10. Number 22. Pass to number 11. Crossover against Cayacano. Fire. Elbow J. No. Rebound para sa Team Ibra. Put back shot. Bang! Bullseye. 33-43. 10-point lead for Team Davraa. At naagawan dito. Stepping the gas. Stops and kicks out. Number 11. Fakes. Number 11. Number 22 at 3 points area. Bang! No, against number 20. Crossover. He goes to the screen. Switch. Dancing. He stops. Pass to the left. Open. Bang! 3. Lugeng. Bajenting. Gustong makalusot. Nandulas. Recover by Butterbornia. Pellegrino for 3. Bang! Nothing but the bottom. And here comes Ibra. Region 8. Number 15. Cross pass. Fakes. Number 11. Drives. Oops. Recover. Attacks. Butterbornia is there. No rebound. Butterbornia. Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Atake. Nakalusot. Reverse line. Tumagilid pa. And here you go, Team Ibra, Region 8, number 15. To the left, left wings, pass it back, number 15. Number 15 now, to number 11. For Team Ibra, spins, ball stolen. Number 28, no look pass, please. Oh, the connection. No look pass. Butterbornia to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, fires. Bullseye! Pellegrino. Rebound dito for Ibra. Pasa sa gitna. Number 11. Stepping the gas. Kicks out. Oh, naipasa pa yun. Sa gitna. Para sa Team Ibra. Picks. Sa gitna ulit. Sa right wings. Cross pass. Open look. Fakes. Stop. Elbow. J. No. Bullseye! And 38-56 ang score natin. Pellegrino against number 20. Pellegrino. Stop. Pull up J. Bullseye. Against Bajenting. Bajenting bumalik na. Bump. Bajenting guarding the ball. Spins. Lulusot dito. Bumpings. Kicks it out. And decided to take it easy. Here's Lugi. Lugi atake mula sa gitna. Elbow J. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Number 10. Number 22. Oops.
Sinong baganay mo diya?
And a foul. Takes. Bump. Creating space against Anoria. Nakalusuhop. Wala. Uy. Ang taas tumalon nun. Pero di niya na-rebound. Na-rebound ng kasama niya. Sanoria. Behind the back. Behind the back again. Oh! Nilusutan lahat sila. Bajenting is there. Behind the back. And bars. And
It is